Hi students, welcome. So today I have a question from sequences topic, right? So it can be called as arithmetic progression, right? So sequences and arithmetic progression, the same meaning, right? Okay, so let's read the question. If the sum of first 7 terms of an sequence or AP is 49, okay? So this is the sum, okay? And that of 17 terms, so is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Okay, so that's our question. So in this question we have two cases. The first case is sum of 7 terms. The second case is sum of 17 terms. Okay students, they want to find us sum of n terms. Okay, so we need first of all want to find the first term a and the common difference d. So if you know both of them, we can find the sum of n terms. Okay, so from using the two cases, we are going to find what is a and what is d. Okay, do you understand the question first of all? Okay, let me explain again. Sequences in arithmetic. So suppose A1, A2, A7, A8, A9 and so on, A50, 60, then A70. Okay students. So what do you mean by that? This is all the terms, okay, of the sequence. So if you find the sum of A7, that is 49. Okay. So sum of 17. Okay, so it means if you add all of them, that is equal to 289. Okay students, so these are the two cases. From that we are going to find the value of what is a and the common difference d. Do you understand? Okay, so the first case is yes, a S7, that is equal to 49 and S17 is equal to 289. What is the formula for Sn students? So that is n by 2, yeah, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So this is the formula, right? So first we are going to substitute S7. So n is 7. So that is 7 by 2. So 2a plus n minus 1. So that is 7 minus 1 into d equal to 49. So we don't know d. Okay. So what's the next step, ma? This is multiplication. Listen carefully. This is multiplication. So you can transpose this 7 by 2 into that side. That will go, yes, by reciprocal. So 2a plus 6d, that is equal to 49. 7 by 2 comes under 2 by 7. And if you cancel this one, so 7 2s are 14. So this is our equation. 2a plus 6d equal to 14, the first case. So the first equation. Okay, do you understand, ma? Yes. So now we have the second equation. We have to find from the second case. So that is S17. Let me write here. S17 is equal to 289. So for, if you substitute here, 17 by 2. 17 is n. Then 2a plus n minus 1. So that is 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. You understand that step? Yes. So next step, as usual, 2a plus 16d. Right? So 289. This 17 by 2. This is multiplication. That's only we are transposing here. It comes as the reciprocal. 17 by 2, 2 by 17. How will you cancel, students? 289 is a square, right? 17 square. So if you cancel, we have 17. So 17 times 2, it is 34. So this is 2a plus 16d. That is equal to 34. Okay, now we have two equations. From that equation, we are going to find what is A and what is D. Do you understand, ma'am? Yes. So let me change the color. Write 2A plus 6D equal to 14 and 2A plus 16B equal to 34. So first equation and second equation, and now I am going to subtract. Okay, so that you can cancel the term D. So first equation 1 and 2 I am going to subtract, so that I have to change the sign. This is negative, this will change into negative, and this will also change into negative. So now this will cancel. Okay, so this one is minus 16 minus 6. What is that? Is it 8? Yes. So sorry students, it is 10, right? Sorry. Yeah. So 16 minus 6, that is 10. 10 negative. And 34 minus 14. So that is 0, 2, and we have to write the negative sign because 34 is negative, right? Bigger sign, bigger number is negative, so that our answer should be negative. Now D is equal to minus 20. This 10 comes division, and if you cancel, what do you get? 2. Okay, students. So D is equal to 2. Wow, we find the one answer, and we should be find that A value, so that 2A 16 times. I'm going to substitute in this equation. You can take any equation, right? So 16 times D equal to 34. So this is 2 because we are substituting for D, it is 2. And 2A, that is equal plus 16 2s are 32. Here it is 34, and 2A is equal to 34 minus 32. Yes, students? Yes. So 34 minus 32 equal to 2. So A is equal to, so 2A is equal to 2. Then A is equal to 2 divided by 2. It is 1. Okay. So A is equal to 1. D is equal to 2. Wow. So I find A and D. Now let me go to the question. Actually, what is the question? Find the first n terms. So we have to substitute in the formula. So n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 times D. So we don't know n. So n divided by 2 and 2A. So 2 times A. So that is 1 plus n minus 1. I don't know what is n and what is D. It is 2. Okay. And now what's our next step? Sn is equal to n by 2. This is 2 times 1, it is 2, right? And you can multiply this one. So what do you get? 2n minus 2. Yes, students. So what's our next step, ma? Yes, 2 and negative 2 get cancelled. So n by 2 times 2n. So here also the n is the 2 is cancelled. So we are left out n times n, that is n square. So Sn is equal to n power 2. That's all the answer. Okay. So what a simple but important problem, right? So here there are so many calculations, how you are concentrating the problem and how many times you are doing, how many times you are practicing. So that is very important. Okay, students. So we have to understand the two cases and we have to find the nth terms. It means general term. Nothing but it is a general term. Okay, students. Yes. Do you understand both the steps? Okay. So we have to find the two equations and we have to solve like algebra lesson, right? So if you solve, you can find the value of A and D. So D is 2 and A is 1. Okay. After using the formula and cancelling the equations, right? Yes. So then At last, you have to substitute the value of a and d in the equation and we will find the general term. Okay. So, I hope you all understand the problem, right? Thank you.